You don't need art skills, just basic materials and a few quiet minutes.
Hi and welcome. Today we are creating peaceful Madhubani forest scene. In Madhubani art, there represents gentleness, grace and harmony with nature. So draw with me or simply watch and relax. We are going to start with adding the border first. Let's begin with lower border. Using a scale, draw a straight baseline. I'm going to divide this rectangular strip into square boxes. Start from one side, do the exact same thing on the other side. Fill it up with boxes, as you can see. Starting with small circles inside of the square, as you can see. Adding inner lining to the circles. Doing the same thing on the opposite side. We'll have some space in the center. We'll just leave it as it is for now. Add tiny circles inside of each inner box. Repeat this for all the 4 boxes. We'll decorate the middle strip with patterns later. Above the lower border, we are going to draw rounded bushes. Keep the curves soft and slightly overlapping. Now, drawing a flowing tree branch extending upward, add small branches on both the sides. Just extend. Then in the space which is remaining, fill it up with leaves and a few flowers. Just I'm adding the basic flower. Then we are going to outline whole of the tree in Madhubani style. I'm just darkening it up. Now we draw the first deer. Start with a circle for the face, add a nose, then mouth, then extend the ears outward. Then add horns on top of the head. I'm just using basic lines. Add oval eyes. Keep the expression soft and calm. Extend the body toward the left side. Draw the legs below, which are not visible, just portion of it. Then finally add a small tail. Now repeat on the right side. Start with mouth and nose, then the ears, add horns, draw the eyes, oval eyes, extend the body, finish with the legs. Now begin detailing. Use brown tones. Fill the deer bodies with Madhubani patterns, spirals, lines, petals. Take your time with the lines and the motifs. Also the ears, and on the forehead add a small flower pattern. Repeat for both the deers. Adding the patterns in the deer body. And the tail. Now return to the bushes. Start with dark green for the base. Add small flowers first with the petals. Then extend the texture using lines and petals. Use light green and dark green alternatively. The same thing on the other bush also. Petals and lines. Blend the light green and the dark green together. For the tree area, fill the background space with light green. Inside the leaves, add dark green lines. Keep the leaf centers dark for depth. Color the flowers red to make them stand out. Now we'll color the lower border. Fill the circles in the outer square, and the center of the square I'm just adding a dot and lines around it, filling the center with the circles once again, coloring the left out space completely, doing the exact same thing but with a yellow color this time. Decorate the tree trunk with beautiful Madhubani patterns. Color some sections brown and the other portion with beautiful Madhubani patterns, lines, circles, petals. Leave some areas pattern filled and the other area for the color. This creates a beautiful contrast. We don't want the whole tree trunk to be one single solid color. We'll fill up some spaces with a delicate pattern work. Take your time here. This step adds depth and character to the whole artwork. So this is how your whole artwork is going to look. And finally, fill the entire background with warm orange. Notice how the deers come gently to life. Now is the time for Mandala Trataka or mandala gazing. Look softly at your finished artwork. In Madhubani tradition, the deer reminds us to move through life with gentleness and awareness. Let your eyes travel slowly across the patterns and colors. Breathe in gently and breathe out slowly. If this felt calming, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye.